Come like this. Come like this now. Come like this now. Push ball, push ball, push ball, push ball, push ball. Stand them please, big clap on the northeast, 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 big clap on the northeast. Yo, where's my zerg? Where's my zerg? Keep ball here, keep ball here.
Layo na lang.
Keep ball here. Ball here. Ang ginagawa ni Dex sa likod. Come northeast, defense looking, enemy looking now. Ready defense. Ready defense. They got wiped by ally man. You push bro. Defense ready. Aim effort. They're running. Keep ball. Just keep ball. They're running. Skip ball. Pull wide.
Color still alive.
Yeah, they can still engage. Defense front. Yo, another blob on the castle.
Western Paradise.
Comes out. Leave the Jin. Comes out, pass. Boys, leave them. Comes out now. Mount up. We need to be fast. Mount up.
Follow cost.
No one, tell me that, man.
Ano tama na for them? Sige.
Mount up.
Southeast gate sila ngayon. Southeast gate.
They're inside already.
Inside.
Southwest.
Ano na sila, Lord Room.
Follow me. This one on me. Come. This one on me. Follow me. This one is. Spread. Push east. They're dying. Push east. Keep ball. Enemy looking. Spread ball. Push east side. You need to push east. Big clap west. Enemy big clap west. Keep ball now. They're dying inside. They're dying inside. Don't let them go. 5 seconds. I'm gonna make a club. 5 seconds. I'm gonna make a club.
Thanks,
Keep ball. Inside us. I'm gonna make a club now. East side now. Big clap east. Big clap east. That's it. Spread ball. Get heals. Enemy looking. Get heals. Northeast. Careful northeast. I need silence northeast. Get heals. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Keep ball. Southwest side. Boys, stop panning northwest. Come east side. Why you fucking hiding northwest? Come east now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pick up. East.
Bomber. Careful.
Pick up. Just keep ball. Enemy dying northeast, man. Enemy dying northeast. Just keep ball them. Yo, help my DPS. Helper. Come back. Come on.
Guys, help us about that.
Where's helper? Gago pa kay helper. Come back. Keep defense front. Boys, I need DPS top front. This early. Big clap Martis. Heal my front, please. Get heals, boys. If you need heals, get heals at the back. You need this, get heals at the back. Don't overextend. This is our castle. Keep ball. Keep
They're low.
Keep going from southwest. We need this. Almost dead. Enemy almost dead. East side. Big clap again. East side. Big clap again. Nice one. Almost dead, boys. That's it. Defense side. Yes, each part. Don't die anymore. Defense.
They're running.
Don't die anymore. Just inside.
Careful.
Stabilize. Don't die. Come southeast. If you're good, come southeast. If you're good, come southeast. Come southeast. Keep going southwest. Going sa test. Keep push. Bago mo, mamatay ko. Mamatay ko, pain ako.
Hey, guys,
Patay ako, gago.
Keep pushing.
Enemy man, babalik kami. Regear fast.
Keep pushing. At the backline. Keep pushing.
May isa pang blob, oh.
Keep pushing.
Putang na, kayo sa Arnold. May isa pang blob.
Okay lang tayo. Wala. Tumakas na yung
Stabilize.
Magalit.
Mag-i-rigger to. Heal the front.
Ay, makakaroon na pala to, guys. Hindi, no. Makakaroon. Sorry.
Stabilize. Na ano tayo.
Let's go, we're coming baka. But I still have Polar there. They're still gonna fight.
We still have castle. Come the Lord.
Regear fast.
Okay,
Kaya
naman.
ang lalim mo.
Oh, nakita ko lang yung ano.
Oh.
Ngayon, napafight sila.
Tayo sa loob ulit.
One death tank,
Balik
please scout one death tank.
Balik ka
Okay.
Patay ako, gago. Hindi ko napansin yung HP ko.
Dapat hindi mo na pinapansin yun eh.
Chariot, nandyan ka pa sa ano, Bosex?
Drono pala.
Magre-rigger to mga to, men.
Chariot na lang ako. Pero,
May gusto kayo dyan, Luther.
Black Pearl, this is Black Pearl, okay? They're regearing.
How many
Enemy are gearing.
How many healers, party 1? How many healers and DPS?
Party 1, 2 healers.
Ako na lang,
Party
ako na
1,
lang
1,
DPS.
2 DPS,
Shit,
party 1.
hindi na makakalaban to ah. Wala nang DPS party 2 din.
Pabalik kami dyan. Hindi naman nila alam yan.
Kami dalawa na yan eh.
Southeast, careful.
Nagmamount up sila, nagmamount up.
Pabalik na kami dyan, AR na kami.
Pull out, pumunta sa...
Pero pag
Sila
nag-push
sa
ka,
east
hold
side.
lang namin.
Iikot sila sa east side.
Kung sila sa northeast side.
Yagi, sinabi, hindi na
Northeast side now,
gano'n.
northeast side.
Yung mga DPS ko namatay agad, guys. Ay, HP get this.
Look at me, Fred.
Northeast side now. Still mounted up.
Babalik
Shift
ulit
mounted
sila.
up. Mounted up.
How many DA?
Grouping, we're gearing, we're coming back.
They have level 8 DA
DA.
still. Level 8
Okay.
DA.
Kaya.
Rigger lang daw. Rigger lang daw. Sabi na.
Galing saan silang mag-Blackburn?
katabi lang yan. Katabi lang yan.
Yeah, dyan lang yun, no?
Level 12 now. Level 12.
Ah, shit. Okay.
Zoning na ako ng grassland yung regear mo, zoning grassland. Papunta na kami Santong doon.
Santong doon. Sige, hold namin sa Lord Room ah.
Saan pang doon ako?
Hindi, i-hold nyo lang sa Lord Room. Huwag nyo ipupush siya. I-hold nyo lang, may ano ka naman eh, may...
Nasaan sila?
Hindi na babalik western dyan eh.
3 DPS, saan pang doon ako?
Ikaw,
Santong doon ay tatlong DPS.
May...
Southwest, okay. Still in
Meron ba
south.
tayo dito Luther? Nandito ka tiran?
Black Pearl, level 8 DA. Nag-left.
Tinignan ko lang, Fred, kung
Hindi man,
saan.
hindi na.
Hindi tayo pwede lumabas ng castle. Malalaman
Level
nila.
8.
Wala yata tayong Luther.
Nandiyan si Kiran.
Wala kang scout na nakatingin sa kalaban.
Si Juan.
Ako level 9 sila, level 9. Parang pumasok
Pag Black
sa
Pearl, Fredel, hindi ako agad
Yagi, para maglalaban natin ng dalawa, western at saka ano.
Medyo mo
nila.
medyo hirap.
Some of them has homesick.
Okay, that's good.
Western may ano na, level 2 DA na.
Wala yung
Level
matagal
9
yun. Sabi nila kanina.
May mark pa ako sa PT1.
Meron.
Paano pababa din sa ray natin? Biglang naging 11. 13 to kanina, guys. Saan kayo?
Approach na kami.
Nagbabangkit siguro.
Okay.
Okay pa din pala, no? Infernal.
Malakas may mga scout
Saan
kayo.
pa
Okay, may mga scout ka naman.
Approach na sila man, approach na sila.
Approach na
Hindi
kami.
yung
Approach.
regear ah.
Ito na,
Let me know,
atake na to, boy.
Hold nyo lang yung yung stairs. Huwag nyo papasokin.
4 na DPS.
Level 9.
4 na DPS.
Western, level 6 DA. Western Paradise, level 6.
Yagi.
Nasaan yung western? Nasa south din.
Yung
Kasama nila.
hindi sila kasama sa Black Pearl, parang sila yung nandun sa ano. Hindi ako makalapit dun eh, kasi
Western nandito sa south. Nasa pinaka-south yung
Yan.
western.
Yung blob,
Upper
lumilipat
block,
ka.
zone na ako dun eh.
North na yung blob. Juan.
Ano yan?
May-
Black Pearl is
Ah.
northeast. Southwest is nagdi-vlog yung southwest.
Just stay here in the Lord
Western
room.
nasa northwest na.
Rabi na kami.
Mounted sila.
Northwest,
Mounted.
western.
Send ka na,
guys.
Sige na lang kulang sa party 1.
Sige na ako, pag-zone na ako dyan.
Debunking na Northwest ha. Stay in
Hindi mo
Lord
na-
room. Stay in
Nag-handhold.
Lord room.
Oh, ito nag-hold.
Nag-handhold.
Nag-handhold, tig-isa silang gate.
Lord room, Lord room.
Gusto mo na magbas muna?
Friendly fire yan. Ay, magkano friendly fire? It's okay, it's okay. Come to the most south, mamaya. Most south.
Zoning na ako
May
dyan.
2D tank each on the gate. 2D tanks
Sige
each on
na.
the gate.
Sige na lang kulang sa party 1.
Lord room, Lord
Assign
room,
ka
Lord room.
nandito sa kabilang Zerg. Assign ka nandito sa kabilang Zerg.
Mount up ka, Fredel.
Kompleto na party 1. Sige na lang
Juan,
kulang.
assign ka nandito.
West side, western. We're pushing.
Yo, just come south. We play to the Lord. Play in the Lord.
Gago sa Kiran.
Sandwich tayo.
Ay, umalis kayo.
Ano tayo magiging position?
What the fuck? Why did you guys leave?
Yo, I'm in the Lord room, boy.
Umalis aday.
Huwag, babayaan niyo.
Hindi, reposition lang yung
Call,
alay.
call. Pasok yung west
Resolution
line.
sila men.
Pwede,
Iwan
pwede.
mo
Ano
pa
ba ginagawa mo?
Yan naman
Umalis
eh.
dito. Yo,
Come.
ay, iwan ako sa'yo.
Kamis.
Iniwan kami sa loob.
Bimin.
Okay, walis.
They fight. Come southwest. The group south. Just the group south. Heal your team, man. Heal your team. Batay ka, man.
Ano ba, mag-out pa kami dito?
Bam.
Go, guys!
They're fighting or what? Come south.
No, no,
Nabot.
Chasing us.
Osi food check. Nagtulungan?
Ayan,
Tulungan.
Osi food check. Heal my team. Establish this guy inside us. I'm northeast now. On the gate, man. He's my friend. Come southwest spread. Border still good. Yo, border them northeast. Borders northeast. They got wiped by Alien, man. Borders northeast. Don't let them run. Western here also. Come northeast. We go back acid. Shit, nakakapit nila. I'm southeast. Yo, they engage them. Come west. Full burn na to west.